Trees swaying with the ocean as my guide.